Oh yeah, let's get busy. Oh yeah, let's get busy. Okay, new season. Talk to me. 81? Who y'all feeling like, bro? Who y'all feeling like, bro? I bought a 6'6". Haha. Indeed. Oh yeah. Milk Marisha got a pretty. Okay. Hey, chat, I got a gotta lock in. I ain't trying to lose in park, chat. No cap. Oh yeah. I can't lose in here, chat. I ain't gonna lie. I refuse to lose in here. Hey, I refuse to lose in here. Oh yeah. I'm here, Jet. Midi fade. That's fine. I'm cool with the midi fade. Y'all can have it. Oh my goodness. And one ref.
And one ref.
Was about to find me. Ooh. Had to get right real quick. Hold on.
I was gonna ref to the corner, but you I was gonna go straight to the corner. We ain't gonna cut.
He just want a midi fade, man.
Eee. Ew, ew.
Yucky. No sir. Boy. Hey. Get up on that rim then, D. Yo, tell Zay I can't show them. It won't let me. I bet. Whenever he join, I got you. He not in here yet. I can't blame you. Hey. Good day. Love you for you are, love who for you are. Hey! Oh my goodness. What's up, Troy? What's good, bro? Ray? You chillin'? Give me that shit. What's good, brody? Coolin'?
Yeah, we shuffling bitches beat, bro. Sorry. Oops. Hey, tell us how we shuffling bitches. Oh, we shuffling bitches.
Yeah, what about you? I'm chilling, bro. I'm doing great, bro. Playing some good park.
Ew.
My goodness. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hold this full court, Jet. W Choi.
37%. Like,
hey Jay, I want to see how long you've been following.
Yeah, we get ours back. Yeah. Oops.
Hey, chill. Almost a year, bro. Nah, facts. It's a new account. Oh, dang. Hey, my goodness. Oh my, give me that. Whoa!
Who shot for them bitches, big bro? Oh, and I got 2 A.
Go crazy then, DP.
End this shit. Fuck him. Hey, ugly fool.
Hey, give me mine.
Hey,
Nah,
we all eat over here.
Ooh.
We all eat over here, man. My mic bugging, let me know.
Come on, chat. It's too free.
Yeah,
a little bit.
It is. Alright.
Bro, hey, chat, I don't know why, but like, my nose.
that's good.
I'm not even sick, but like, my nose been like running and shit. Looking at the water, look at out. That's a vibe, bro. Hit that little dancey dance, you feel me? Oh, they came back. These niggas back for round 2. Alright. New center, I guess.
You didn't do shit last
Old
week.
niggas. I bet, Troy. Yo, what up, Lee Edits? What's good, buddy? What's good, my guy? We in a part with it. Chat, we in a part with it, bruh. Hold on, let me get to that corner. Oh, great. What you jumping at, nigga? Fuck wrong with this nigga, dog? What he jumping at? My bad, chat. I'm cooking up. I'm locked in today. I'm cooking up today, chat. I'm cooking up. Like, y'all don't... I'm not in the wreck today, chat. Ooh, good shot. I'm not in the wreck today, chat, so I could cook up today. You feel me? Oh, my goodness.
My fucking controller died. Hold on.
Oh, shoot. We all got defense, chat. Chat, it's straight cooking shit up today. Chat, I'm straight cooking shit up today. We not in the wreck today.
Oh, yeah?
We straight cooking shit up today, chat. We straight cooking shit up. Oh, nigga, they hold me. I'm not trying to go for no shot. I'm trying to yam that bitch. That's me though. Oh, good move. I like that shit. That shit kind of patchy. That shit kind of patchy. That move kind of patchy, chat. I like that. That little, oh my. That bit kind of fire. I like how many parks there are too, bruh. It's a lot of courts. It's a lot of courts, bruh. It's a lot of runs in here. I like this. I'm not getting hit by that wall bat no more, chat. Y'all know how I get, bro. I learn. You feel me? I learn the people I play, bro. You can only get me with the move like once or twice, bro. After that, you're not hitting me with that move no more, bro. No cap. You can't. Nah, I can't allow it to happen, chat. Just ain't no way. Nah, he boxed that. He boxed that. I'll take the shot. Nah, he boxed that little shit. No, sir. Yo, what up, Jortiz? What's up, Brody?
Bro.
Let me go get bucks, bro. I'm playing. Hey. I gotta start shooting more, chat. That's my problem. I don't be shooting enough. Yeah, I'm already knowing. What the freak? Hey. What the fuck? Oh, I'm never score dunking again. That's crazy. Weezy airballed and wrecked? Bro, that shit's crazy. How, bro? Can I run with you? Bro, I'm running threes right now, brody. You can't add me though, like maybe in the future though. Bro, this nigga keep doing that weird ass move, bro, and I got hit with it again. Missed the three. That shit not crazy though, Jay. Okay, bet. Yes, sir. YT-PWEEZY, all caps. You could have that, bro. I know it's crazy I left the game. Bro, now you be finding me, cause why you be leaving the game, bro? Give me that shit. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, blah, dummy. Oh yeah, chat. We in the park today, chat. We in the park today, chat. We cooking up in the park today, chat. No, nigga. We cooking up in the park today, chat. Yo, what up, Frost? What's wrong with them, bro? Come on, man. Chat. I'm telling y'all, it's the new season, bro. It's a different Weez in the park. You know what I mean? Like when I actually look, I'm actually with my three, chat. I'm actually playing with my three, like my main three. I'm playing. Me, my dog Big Pimpin', and my dog DJ. This a rare sight, chat. Like they usually never own the game. They both own the game at the same time. Would you believe that? So y'all know what's going on. Y'all know what's going on. We not losing.